1981 Schwinn Mini Phantom. Pretty cool one here. Hard one to find. That's a fully brazed frame. Kind of like the Stings were of the time. Got some mustache bars on there. Predator Atari stem. RBK grips. Tan sealed bearing headset. Skyway Tough mags. Those got sealed bearings too. Ran a lever brake on this one. Free coaster. Croupy chain ring on there. 2-turn cranks. 3-piece. Sealed bottom bearing. Bracket. Tange seat post clamp. Chromoly seat post. SE seat. MX rear brake. Originate, I think, Hornet coaster on there. No name chain. We got some graphite pedals. Youngest boy loves this thing. First free coaster bike, lever brake. He loves it. We're having a good time with it. Peace.